back to another video, guys. And in this video I'll show you how to reset the oil service light. So what you'll have to do, turn the ignition on obviously without the engine running, accelerator and brake pedal all the way down, and hold it there for a few good seconds, well 20 seconds or so, and this should hopefully eliminate the, so there you are. So you've got that warning now. Just keep holding for a good 20 seconds or so, and that should hopefully eliminate it from it coming back on after you've turned the car on and off. It will say oil change done. There you go, service complete. So okay, so if you let go of that and that, turn the car on and off. I'm going to show you what I mean. There we go. So that's the warning there, that's fine. That's the headlamp we're aware of. So it should come up straight after this, and it hasn't. And if I turn it on as well, it won't do. Oh, it's got a ghost in immobilizer, but yeah, that's how it's done, guys.